So hi guys, um, so I'm gonna briefly show you how those hands-on lab experiment works. So I'm gonna start with the first one, the reaction order and rate laws. And since I'm using the leftover, so it's not going to be step by step. I'm gonna just show you um, what is going on, in the procedure. So the first one, the part one, the varying the concentration of HCl. So the first step is taking the 24 well plate, this one, and then you will need the white clean paper to see the color change or to see the precipitate forms, how the precipitate forms. So I will draw X over here clearly so that I can see clearly how the X shaped through the well plate, the transparent well plate, like this. In the step number 6, we have number of drops of each chemical. The figure number 4. I'm looking at the figure number 4. You'll need empty short stem pipette and write down Na2 S2O3. I'll just write down Na2 S2O3. Okay, simply mark over there so that I know what the chemical is in the tube, right? So I'm gonna use this pipette to transfer the sodium, what its name is? Sodium thiosulfate. So yeah, let's fill those up. So sodium thiosulfate, 8 drops of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And so A 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 drops. And B1, B2, B3 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So basically all of them are clear. So it is important to track if I have all the solution. After filling those all, and it is ready to mix the raw A to C and from raw B to D. So let's see the next step. When the X here disappears, then the reaction is done. Okay. So you set the well plate back on the paper, C1 over X. C1 over X, like this. Right? C1 over X, like this. I will need a timer, and this one. Okay. So from here to here. The next step is like 0 timer, one hand, ready to begin. So that is procedure number 11. So here to here, and then push it down. Do not mix with the pipette. Do not mix with pipette, because I'm gonna use this for only Na2SO3, and you clearly see. Do you see how this disappears? How that is disappears, right? When this disappears, then you can stop the timer, and then do same thing, and then I'll do the same thing after record the data. So I will record the data. So I will record the data. The C1 was 30.5 seconds, right? And the same thing. And see if it is repeatable. And I'll do the same thing. Reset and go. See how fast this disappears, right? And I think if it's done, then stop the timer. Okay, that is how it goes, and we'll do the same thing for those. I mean, after I write down, it was 29.1 seconds, like, and then do the same thing for the other ones as well, right? So after you get all the data, you will fill all the data table 1, right? Data table 1, and looking at figure number 6. So for A4, I mean the others, you can fill those up as in the same manner, and then do the same thing. Okay, that's all.